suggestion, huh? To get started. Anybody?
Slaughterhouse.
Slaughterhouse?
Here's the thing you have to understand, Rock. I know you love animals, but not only is it a good training thing for you, but the cow secretly loves it.
No!
He's lying. He's saying no. But look at his eyes. Those are yes eyes. Those are yes eyes. Look at the eyes.
I don't know, Mick. I don't know. I don't know. I think I can knock him out. I don't know.
I don't understand a word that you're saying, Rock. But I think you should hit the cow. Not only for your good. Look at his eyes again. Look at his eyes. They're yes. Look, the cow's trainer agrees. And this is the cow's trainer.
Here's the thing, Bessie. Here's the thing. When I say, you switch to southpaw. Not until I say. Not until I say. You got it? All your sweat, all your power, all your love. Pour it out there.
Okay, Rock, you ready? You're helping the cow as much as you're helping yourself. All right? Are you ready?
No pain, Bessie, no pain.
Okay.
No pain.
Lots of pain, Rock. Lots of pain. Lots of pain. You ready?
If you lose, we're literally gonna kill you.
Don't use your feet. Just hit him. Just hit the cow. The cow wants it. The cow wants you to hit
Take
him.
that, Bessie. Now, Bessie, now!
Okay, now hit him.
It's the fanciest dinner I could afford.
This place?
It's all I can do.
I was hoping for more, Steven. I was hoping for more.
You did. Start you out with a beer, or you guys ready to order?
I'll have beer.
Yeah, we need. We got Miller, Heineken, and some other shit. I don't even know what it is. I might give it to you.
Do you have anything in an IPA?
We could probably mix two together.
I really like IPAs.
What is an IPA?
It's India Pale Ale. It's a British stuff.
Oh, yeah, no, we got one of those. IPA, two IPAs?
Two
Okay,
IPAs.
all right.
Could I have some sparkling water too, please?
With lemon. Just in case you didn't know.
Sure, yeah, sparkling water,
I
okay.
don't want to be condescending, but...
No. I'll make it sparkle. This place is awful. It's all I can do, okay? It's a tough time for me. I thought that you were going to make partner.
I thought I was going to make partner too.
Well, then, what is it you're doing? It's our 5th anniversary.
Dead flowers? Dead flowers?
I'll take some dead flowers. Maybe just one. Thank you. Keep.
You don't want that?
Oh, well, you want it.
think that I deserve a little better than work outrageous hours.
Hello? I am a guitarist. I am tonight using a much cheaper ukulele. But my heart is in the right place. And for the song I sing, every 8th word is too expensive, so it won't make a lot of sense. I love you, my darling, because of Idaho. Heart is in my car is my favorite mode of transport. Idaho.
Yeah. Canyon drops off. I got a 90-degree angle.
That's what canyons do.
We got your floss set up.
Yeah.
Tied on this end. Just gonna walk across it. Can't really see it that well.
It disappears into the distance.
Yeah, just gotta trust it. It's there. It's there.
Did you get one of those flosses that's 1,000 yards?
That's what it said on the side of the little thing.
You didn't measure it?
Just took my word for it.
I don't care. I just want to.
Johnson & Johnson. They're reputable. Wind's good.
Wind's good?
Yeah, coming out of the east a little bit.
All right.
The dew, that's good too.
Brave Larry's gonna do the stunt! Brave Larry's gonna do the stunt! Go, Brave Larry, go! I really like to see this.
Come on, Larry! Come on, Larry!
Larry!
Throw the little guy!
Don't shave! Don't shave, Brave Larry!
No, helmet!
I don't know! That's so
Hey, Larry, I'd advise maybe to put on the helmet.
I bet you would, you pussy.
I am your dentist! Are you ready for some dentistry?
Oh, yeah. I'm a little squeamish. I don't come to the dentist often, so.
Sorry I'm late, Doctor.
This is your medical girl, Cloris!
I'm Flora.
Not close.
Cloris is almost better than me as a dentist! Ha ha ha! I am joking, of course. We hope. All right, Cloris. Start with the cleaning of the gums.
Oh.
Cloris finds everything sexual.
I'm gonna clean your gut.
You may also find it sexual. Good luck.
Open wide, I'm gonna stick it in.
Cloris speaks the language of sexual puns.
I noticed all your Far Side cartoons on the ceiling are all sexually explicit.
He's yanking on the library door and it says open. And he's nude.
You should read her sexual Doonesbury.
I would like that.
Political sex, I think it's important. Cloris?
Your gums are really, really clean. You must take really good care of them.
Yeah, I brush. Yeah.
Like back and forth.
Yeah, like
All right, Cloris, do the work. All right, I'll catch the spit. Cloris, my hands are full of spit.
Now you have like a suction machine for that, or?
Yes.
Okay.
You just don't get dentistry in this dentist shop.
washcloth in a bathroom without a shower.
Well, the weather's very nice. Maybe he'd prefer the outhouse.
Oh, they didn't hear that.
Jess, just come out.
Down. I'm here. I had a change of heart.
I want to.
You want to... Wait.
I've just been hurt so many times.
I know. I know, but I'm done with that. I'm done with hurting you. I'm done with hurting anything. I'm gonna start working for the Humane Society.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna start Tuesday.
Why not get us started on the first day of the week?
Because paperwork takes time. Payroll.
All right. You promise?
Yeah, I'll get you a puppy or a kitten or both or whatever you want.
I already have a rabbit.
A rabbit might like a dog. What is that?
It's my rabbit. And if you catch it, I'll know that you're not interested in hurting things anymore.
I think even if I do catch it, there's a possibility that it's going to be falling pretty hard.
Well, there's a possibility you're lying to me.
About it getting hurt? No, that's the thing. I'm not even lying anymore.
Okay, well, I've just asked for one simple test.
But I don't think it's fair. Right? I mean, you're dropping a rabbit out a window.
No, we just wanted to go over your paperwork, so, you stated here you love animals, obviously. You got to work here, you gotta love animals. Any animal cruelty in your history, or?
I got something kind of pending. You've been in love, right? Love makes you do crazy things.
Yeah.
Well, it's Tuesday. How come you're not at work?
My background check didn't go through. Because I got charged.
Well, you should have caught it.
What?
You should have caught it.
I tried to catch it. It was dark. Like it is now.
Well, you're in luck.
Why?
Because I also have a white rabbit.
Walks are free. They're nice. Air, people, bustle, the vibrancy of the city. It's U Street. Right, it's exciting.
We live right down the block.
Right. This is us, right? When you look over there, you see St. X, what do you see? You see us. You see that Tuesday night that we stayed out a little too late. And then we ditched on the tab.
Yeah.
On the street?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it on the street.
On the street?
On the street.
On the street?
Because it's cheap and free.
That was my best move! That was my best move!
It's over. I want someone who doesn't buy their clothes at secondhand stores. I want someone who shaves more than 4 times a week because of the blades. I want someone who doesn't ride anywhere on a capital bike shit.
Okay, that last one was really low.
I know, they're $70 a year. I mean, Jesus.
That's money! $6 a month. $5.87, but let's
You
not-
work in Fredericksburg. You have to get up at 4 a.m.
And when we started dating, you said, I love your abs. I love your will. These abs come from biking.
Belinda, please don't leave Gary. Airplanes in Idaho.
Take tonight. If you really want this, I'll let you go. But just, let's have breakfast. Maybe, Union Mission?
Yeah. Right.